Hello students, welcome to Learn Guru classes. Today we are going to discuss about lines and angles, where we will be discussing some basic terminologies related to lines and angles. Also, we are going to solve some numericals based on this topic. So, after watching this video, as usual, your concepts about this topic will be very clear. So, with this note, let's begin our class. Lines and angles forms the basic fundamentals of geometry as well as it is used in our day-to-day life. Right now, when you are watching this video and if you look around yourself, you will find many examples of lines and angles. The floor where you are standing have lines marked on it. The window panes have lines marked on it. The zebra crossing have lines. Angles also play a very crucial role in our day-to-day life, as well as we see many examples of angles in our day-to-day life. We use the concept of angles for the construction of houses. Engineers and architects should have a very clear vision about the concept of angles. They use this concept of angles to build houses, construction of roads, bridges, etc. So for this purpose, you should have a very clear understanding about lines and angles. So the first half of the video, we will be concentrating on some basic terms which you already have studied in your lower classes. After that, we will switch over to some advanced topics. The first thing that comes to my mind is what is a line. So line is a set of points lying in a straight plane. Suppose some points are there, okay, that is lying in a straight plane, and if you join these points, you get a line. Line has no ending. You can extend it indefinitely towards left or you can extend indefinitely towards right. It is one dimensional. Okay, so line can be horizontal line or a vertical line or an oblique line. Suppose you are given a set of points and you are asked to get a line out of it. Will you be able to do so? No, because these points are not lying in a straight plane. Okay, so line is denoted by, suppose AB is a line and within that we give a bar and two arrows which indicates a line. Now the next topic is what is a ray. So ray is similar to that of a line, only the difference is that one end of the ray is fixed and the other can be extended. Okay, so suppose a ray is given where an arrow is marked to the right side. So it indicates that the left hand side is fixed but the right hand side can be extended indefinitely. Ray is indicated as AB and within that we give a bar with only single arrow. Next is what is a line segment. So by the name itself you can make out that it's a part of a line. Yes, a part of a line is called a line segment. Only the difference is that both the two ends of the line segment is fixed. You cannot extend in either directions. So a line segment is denoted by AB and within that, above that, we give a simple bar. Next is what are linear, collinear and non-linear points. So collinear, linear means that is lying in a single line. Okay, suppose 3 points are given to you. So these points are lying in a line. So these are called as collinear points. And collinear points, if you join these points, you will always get a line. On the other hand, non-collinear points means the points that are not lying in a straight line or straight plane are called as non-collinear points. Suppose these 3 points are given to you, so they are not lying in a straight plane. So these are non-collinear points. Next topic is angle. So to understand angle, let us take one practical life example of a box. So this is the upper surface of the box and this is the lower surface of the box. Okay. So here this box is closed and the upper surface and the lower surface is in close contact to each other. Now when we open the box, the upper surface and the lower surface get separated. Okay, and this is the point of origin for the upper surface of the box and the lower surface of the box, and this part is this opening, okay, is called as the angle. Now as we open the box more widely, angle is increasing. If we try to close the box, this angle is decreasing. So talking in terms of geometry, we say that when two rays originate from a common point, they form an angle. Suppose this is one ray, this is another ray. This is the point of origin of these two rays and this forms an angle. Okay, so if I try to move away this blue ray away from the orange ray, angle is increasing, and if we try to bring it closer, angle is decreasing. Okay, so the term that we call the ray is common arm. We call the rays as common arm, and the point of origin we call it as the vertex. Now, depending on the measurement of the angles, angles are divided into various types. So, let us have a look at the types of the angles. The first angle is called as acute angle, which you all know. Acute angle is any angle that measures more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called as an acute angle. So, these are the two arms, okay, of the angle, and this is the vertex. So, this at this particular position it is called as an acute angle, suppose measuring 30 degree. Now, if I try to move this blue ray further, so suppose this is 50 degree, okay, so 50 degree is also an acute angle. If I move this, suppose this is 80 degree, 80 degree is also an acute angle. Now, when the two rays are at this particular position and it measures exactly 90 degree, so that is called a right angle. So, angle measuring 90 degree is called as right angle. Now, what will happen if I move this blue ray to this particular side? Okay, so that will form an obtuse angle that will be more than 90 degree. So, angle measuring more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called as an obtuse angle. So, say this measures 120 degree. 120 degree is an obtuse angle. This measures 150 degree. 150 degree is also an obtuse angle. Now, a time comes when these two rays are placed at this particular position. That is, it takes the form of a straight line. So, that is called a straight angle and it exactly measures 180 degree. Now, you will tell me, ma'am, it is just a straight line. How come you are calling this as an angle? See here, this is one ray, this is another ray, and both these two rays are originating from this common point. So, that is called as an angle. Any two rays originating from a common point is called as an angle. So, these two rays are originating from this common point. So, this is an angle and this angle we call it as straight angle. Now, what do we call the angle if we move this ray to this side? Okay. So, as we move to this side, it becomes more than 180 degree. Okay, so any angle that is measuring more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called as a reflex angle. Okay, so this outer part is called as the reflex angle. Okay, suppose you are given this angle measuring suppose 35 degree. Okay, 35 degree, and you are asked to calculate the reflex angle. Okay, so you will say that, ma'am, this is an acute angle. Yes, it's an acute angle. So this inner part is the acute angle. Suppose it is 35 degree. So what about the outside part? The outside part is also an angle, right? So that is the reflex angle. So the measurement of the reflex angle will be 360 minus 35, that is 325 degree. Okay, now another example I give you, like this is one angle. Okay, so this is an obtuse angle, right? You are asked to calculate the reflex angle. So this measure, suppose 120 degree is the measurement of the obtuse angle. What is the reflex angle? Reflex angle will be this outer half. Okay, so that will be 360 minus 120, that is 240 degree, will give you the measurement of the reflex angle. Okay, now if you rotate this angle, okay, a time will come when both the two rays are lying at this particular position. Means what? It is completing a full circle. See, it's starting from here. Suppose the angle originates from here, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle. Then you make a complete rotation and it comes to this particular position. So that is called as a complete angle, and it measures absolutely 360 degree. Next very important concept is the concept of angle bisector. Okay, so for this what we take an angle. Okay, so this is the common vertex or the point of origin of these two angles. Now we are adding another line, okay, to this point of origin. Okay, to this point of origin. Now the 3 points are A, B, C, and BD is that line. Okay, so now this, with the addition of this line BD, it divides this angle into two parts. Okay, so ABD is one part and BDC is another part. Okay, so if these two angles are equal, then we can call BD as the angle bisector, because it bisects this angle ABC into two equal parts. Okay, now next another important topic is what are adjacent angles. Go by the name adjacent means neighbor, right? So the neighboring angles are called as adjacent angles. So let us try to demonstrate it. So again we are taking one angle, okay, and we are adding one line to this point of origin. May not be that line may not be an angle bisector, just a line. Okay, so this becomes ABD is one angle and BDC is one angle. Okay, now try to let us analyze these two angles. Okay, so both these two angles have the common vertex. Yes, they have the common vertex. This is the common vertex. Do they have common arm? Yes, BD is the common arm. What are the non-common arms that they have? BAB is the non-common arm for angle ABD, and BC is the non-common arm for angle BDC, right? So, are both these two arms lying on the opposite side of the common arm? Yes, both of them are lying on the opposite sides of the common arm. So these type of angles are called as adjacent angles, where they have one common vertex or the common point of origin, common arm, as well as the non-common arm should lie on the opposite sides of the common arm. Okay, now let me give you one example, like if you are asked, suppose ABC and BD is a line. Okay. Now, if I ask whether angle ABC, that is the complete angle ABC and angle ABD are adjacent angles or not, what will be your justification? You will say that yes, this is the point of origin is common. Common arm is what? AB is the common arm. AB for angle ABD, AB for common angle ABC. Now what is the non-common arm? BD is the non-common arm and BC is the non-common arm. So are they lying on the opposite side of the common arm AB? No, they are not lying on the opposite side of the common arm. They are lying on the same side. So hence we can say that angle ABC and angle ABD are not adjacent angles. Okay, so again let us come to the concept of angle bisector. Suppose this is angle bisector, BD is the angle bisector and angle ABD is equal to angle BDC. So can we say these are adjacent angles? Yes, these are adjacent angles. So an angle bisector will always give you adjacent angles. Now the next very important topic is what are complementary angles and supplementary angles. When the sum of the measurement of two angles give you exactly 90 degree, so these are called as complementary angles. So for this, let us take a right angle, okay, and we just add one line segment into it. So ABC is the right angle and BD is the line that originates from this common point. Now here, if this angle measures 60 degree and this angle measures 30 degree, so 30 plus 60 how much? 90 degree. So these two angles are called as complementary angles. Okay. Now we can say now these two are adjacent angles because they have common arm, common vertex, and the non-common arms are on the opposite sides of the common arm. Yes. So complementary angles may not be necessarily adjacent angles. If two separate angles are there and if it measures, suppose one is 25 degree and the other is suppose 65 degree. So if you add these two angles, this will also give you 90 degree and both these two angles are called as complementary angles. Now if this is 90 degree, now we bisect this 90 degree into two equal parts. So what will be that measurement of the two angles? Yes, this will be 45 degree, this will be 45 degree. Okay, so both these two are complementary angles. Yes, and this line that divides this right angle into two equal parts, we call this as angle bisector. Next very important topic is what are supplementary angles. So when the sum of two angles give us 180 degree, so that is called as supplementary angles. So for this, let us take suppose this is a straight angle, okay, and this is one line that is originating from this common point. Now if this measures 120 degree and if this measures 60 degree, so 120 plus 60 will give you supplementary angle. So both these two angles will give you 180 degree and these two angles are called as supplementary angles. Okay. Now if this line is exactly perpendicular to this line, okay, so this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, okay, so this is also, these two angles also we can call it as supplementary angles, as well as this line we can call it as a angle bisector because it is dividing this straight angle into two equal parts. The next very important topic is what are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so for this let us take two lines. This is one line, this is another line, and both of them meet at the point O. That is, they intersect at this point O. Now if you look carefully, okay, these two lines form four angles. Okay, this is one angle, this is one angle, this is one angle, this is one angle. Okay, so this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles. Opposite angles, and these are called as vertically opposite angles. This angle are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so suppose this is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. So angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are always equal. That is, angle 1 is equal to angle 3, and angle 2 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angles. So both of them are equal. So this is the concept of vertically opposite angles, where all the opposite angles are equal. And when vertically opposite angles are formed, when both these two lines intersect at a point. So keeping these concepts and terminologies in our mind, let us try to solve 2 to 3 problems related to these terminologies. After that, in the next class, we will solve some complete problems related to this topic. Sum is, find the measure of an angle which is 32 degree less than its supplement. So let the angle be x degree. Okay, 32 degree less than its supplement. So supplement of the angle is how much? Supplement, what is supplement of the angle? When the sum of the measure of the two angles gives us 180 degree, so that is called a supplement of the angle. So if one angle measures x degree, so the supplement of the angle will give us 180 degree minus x. So this angle x is 32 degree less than the supplement. That is, we will frame the equation in this way: 180 degree minus x equals to 32 degree. Okay, so this will give us 180 degree minus x equals to 32 degree. Okay, so this 32 degree, if you give, this is 148 degree equals to twice x. So x is 74 degree. Okay, so the measurement of the angle is 74 degree. So the next sum is, find the measure of an angle if 7 times its complement is 10 degree less than 3 times its supplement. Okay, so let us see, let the angle be x degree. Okay, so complement of the angle is, of course, 90 degree minus x. Okay, so if this is x, so complement means sum of the angles will give you 90 degree. So the complement of the angle is 90 degree minus x. Okay, so supplement of the angle is 180 degree minus x. Okay, so 7 times its complement. So 7 times of the complement is, just you will multiply 90 degree minus x with 7. So 3 times its supplement is, 3 times supplement is 3 into 180 degree minus x. Now come to the question. 7 times its complement is 10 degree less than 3 times its supplement. So 7 times its complement is 10 degree less than 3 times its supplement. So just you multiply, do the required simplifications. So this is 630 minus 7x. This is 540. Bring 10 here so that 3x we can put it here. Okay. So 630 minus 7x equals to 530 minus 3x. So this will be 630 minus 530 is 100 degree and this is 4x. So x becomes as 25 degree. The next sum is the supplement of an angle is 1/3 of the given angle. Find the measurement of the given angle and its supplement. So let the angle be x degree. What is given here? Supplement. So the supplement of the angle is 180 degree minus x. So the supplement of an angle is 1/3 of the given angle. So write the supplement of the angle is equal to 1/3 of the given angle. Okay. So you will do here cross multiplication. 180 degree minus x equals to x. So this becomes as 540 degree minus 3x equals to x. So this is 540 degree equals to 4x. So if you see here how much, so this will roughly give you 135 degree. Let's see. This is 14, 4 3s are 12, 20. So it is giving you 135 degree. So x equals to 135 degree. So the angle is, the measurement of the angle is, the measure of angle is 135 degree and the supplement of the angle is 180 degree minus 135 degree, that is 45 degree.
So this is the end of this video. So next class we will be solving some problems related to these concepts. Okay, already we have solved some sums. Again we are going to solve some more advanced problems. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to Learn Guru classes, like, comment and share. So bye bye. Thank you so much.